Hi students, this is Mrs. Edwards down in guidance. Today I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of registering with Indiana Career Explorer. This is an excellent tool that's going to be utilized in many ways throughout your high school career. The biggest thing is it's going to really help you with educational and career planning, but it's also going to help you with the process of selecting your college major. It will help you when you're kind of trying to figure out jobs that would be best for you. It will work on aligning those job options with your personality. And in addition, it helps you with resume building and scholarship searches. So all very important and vital information when it comes to, graduation from high school and then post-secondary planning. So let's go ahead and set that up today. I'm going to kind of walk you through the registration process. The first step is going to be going to the website CuderNavigator.com. That is KUDERNAVIGATOR.com. Okay, so once you've gone there, you're going to then select the link New Users Register here. Okay, so once I select that, it takes me to this screen. And from this screen, it asks me to indicate which of the following describes me best. So I'm going to say I am a junior student. So I'm going to select student, and I'm going to select 11th grade. Obviously, if you're a freshman, you'll select 9th and so on. I'm going to select 11th and select continue. From here, it's going to ask you to put in some information. Most of it is pretty basic. I'm going to put in my first name. You could put in your middle initial if you wanted, and then your last name. Okay, from there, select gender, date of birth. I'm really old, so I'm not going to put that in, but you would put in your date of birth there, your zip code, optional to indicate if you were Hispanic or Latino, and also what is your race or ethnicity. Those are optional. Then I will also put in my email address. Okay, so make sure, I would recommend using your school email address. Okay. Again, a few more optional categories are going to be your parent email, cell phone, things like that. Okay, there's a text message opt-in if that's something that's interesting to you, if you want to get updates from them in that way. And then next, a requirement. And again, anything with an asterisk is going to be required. I'm going to select my graduation year, which if I'm a junior, I'm going to select 2019. If I'm a sophomore, it's going to be 2020. If I'm a freshman, 2021. Okay, if I'm a senior this year, 2018. I'm going to select 2019, and then my expected level of education. So select anything that pertains to you. Obviously, anything you pick here isn't going to be set in stone. We're not going to hold you to that if you decide to change your mind after high school. We won't track you down, I promise. But based on this, and what you want to do after high school, what do you think best applies to you? So just do your best there. I'm going to say I want to pursue my master's degree. So I select that. Okay, then my next required field is the username. And this piece is really important. We're requiring that you follow a specific format for this program to basically help us help you. If you forget your username, and you follow our recommended format, we're going to be able to help you remember that pretty well. If you use some random username, it's going to be harder for you to remember it, harder for us to help you. So for your username, we suggest utilizing the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your middle name, and then your whole last name. So I put J.A. Edwards, okay? For your password, it's not going to show it as I type it, unfortunately, but we suggest all lowercase, the word careers, followed by the 2-digit graduation year. So if I'm a junior and my graduation year again is 2019, I'm going to have the word careers, all lowercase, CAREERS, followed by 19. If I'm a sophomore, it would be careers 20 for 2020. If I was a freshman, careers 21. So I'm going to type in careers 19, and then I will re-enter my password, again, all lowercase, and then the secret question to help you if you forget your password. So I'm going to select my mother's maiden name. So I will type that here, okay? And then the activation code. And this piece is very important to pay attention to because it's a very long code. It's kind of hard to remember. So I'm going to enter it right here for you to follow. As you can see, I've done this once or twice. It is N and it's all in caps, N3963748VYS. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to agree to the terms and conditions of use and select register. So once you have done this, you then have an account. So now from here, you'll be able to create your 4-year plan. You'll be able to create a resume. You'll be able to do career interest inventories, scholarship searches, all kinds of amazing tools. So thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this. And I look forward to working with you in the future as we kind of navigate Career Navigator together. Have a great day. Thank you.